Here are some simple rules to follow if you ever want to successfully navigate the treacherous waters of the injustice system and American policing. Number one, never trust cops. They're not there to do you good. They're not there to be your friend. They're there to collect information from you that they can build a case against you with. Number two, always know and stand on and assert your rights. If you don't know your rights, you don't have rights. Number three, shut the frick up. You are not obligated to talk to policy enforcers. The more you talk, the more they collect against you, and they will use it against you. Number four, always get names, badge numbers, and if you can, an incident number. Number five, always, and I mean always, record the police. If you can, record with multiple cameras with multiple angles. And number six, always be aware that a judge or a jury somewhere is going to view your video and you want to put your best foot forward so that you can win your case. And you will have a case eventually one day if you live long enough. If you desire to be ignorant and free, you desire something that never was and what never shall be.